Hi students, it's Miss Henderson. We are starting lesson number 5 using Microsoft PowerPoint. Now for lesson 5, I'm going to try to keep it really short because I know lesson 4 probably took you more than one class period, so you might be doing a little bit of catch up. But for lesson 5, all you're going to do is you're going to work on slide number 7. So slide number 7 in your PowerPoint presentation was called My Personality in Action. And the directions for this slide is to create a short video demonstrating your personality. Now, when I say a short video, I would love for you to keep it to about 10 seconds, maybe 10 to 15 seconds. And there's a couple of different ways that you can do a video. The first way, and the way that I think is easiest, is to simply videotape yourself using the camera app on your laptop. So it would be the same thing you did for your selfie on the top slide or on the first slide, but this time you would do a video. So to do that, of course, you would go to your Start menu, you would go to the camera app, and you would videotape yourself. Now, if you want to do this out in the hallway, if you need a quieter spot than the classroom, just come and ask me and I will let you go out into the hallway. And if you're wondering what you should do in your video, well, you could do something silly and goofy if you think that represents your personality. Or if you're too shy about doing something like that, you could simply videotape yourself saying what your personality is. So you could say, I'm an ISFP. That means I'm introverted, sensing, feeling, and perceiving. So you could keep it pretty basic like that as well. All right, so once you record that video, you would go to your Insert menu up here at the top, and you'd go over here to where it says Video. And if you taped it on your app, your camera app on the computer, you would choose this one, Video on my PC. Click OK. And it's going to be in your pictures. I tested it earlier. I don't think it goes into your videos folder. I think it actually goes into your camera roll folder. So if you did it correctly, it should be in there. You would just double tap on it. Or tap on it and then click Insert. And it might take a few seconds to load, but it will eventually load up onto your screen. Okay, so that's one option. Another option, if you really truly do not want to videotape yourself, I will let you go to YouTube. You can search for your personality type in YouTube. I found one here. Now, of course, this is a longer video. It's about 5 minutes long. There were some other ones, but I thought this one was pretty decent. I would prefer you choose a video that does not have like people in it. I liked this one because it was animated and it was just informational. So once you find one on YouTube, you go down here and you click Share. And we're going to hit Embed because we don't want to just copy the link. I don't want you to put a link in your PowerPoint. I actually want you to put the entire video in your PowerPoint. So you're going to tap Embed, and then it's going to give you all this code. We're going to copy that code. So I'm going to hit Copy. Then I will go back to my PowerPoint, go to Insert, Video, and this time I'm going to choose Online Video. And it might take a little while here. The first time I did it, it took about 30 seconds to load. But right here where it says From a Video Embed Code, I'm going to paste, Control V, all that code that I just copied. I pasted inside of that little box, and I'm going to tap this little arrow for Insert. And again, it might take a little bit of time because it is a large file that they're loading. It's going to appear kind of just black at first, but it will eventually load the entire thing onto your screen. If you want to make it a little bigger, you can make it a little bigger. And then to test it, once it's done loading, you can test it by going to your slideshow down here. well, it's probably not going to show up because it's not. Oh, there we go. So it should show up as the actual video, and of course then you can hit play and test that it's working. So those are the two ways that you can insert a video into your PowerPoint, and that is on slide number 7, My Personality in Action. Again, if you need any help, raise your hand and I'll come to your desk and I will help you. We're not done yet. We still have about 2 more lessons to get through for this project. So keep working hard and let me know if you need help.